So we're pretty confident you guys are here to have fun. I mean, that's a big part of this gig. Unfortunately, it's not our main concern. Our main concern really is safety. It comes damn close to fun, but we have to side with safety a little bit, just because of our distance in, the distance back out, the distance to the closest hospital or something like that.
This is a mountain that has very serious consequences if there's avalanches, so everybody needs to be paying attention when we're in the avalanche terrain. The real big difference for us when we get into the avalanche terrain is we ski and ride quite a bit more regimented. The main difference is going to be that we're going to ski and ride through the avalanche terrain mostly one at a time. We do a fair amount of avalanche control work up here, but typically what we do is a lot of ski cuts and sort of visual inspection as we get to these certain areas. We do use explosives at times. It's not something we use very often, and it's very unlikely it's something we would use today.
All right, this kind of rolls down to the horizon, rolls over there, and the guy that will also be standing on kind of the little bit left of center.
The first year that they operated was 1979. The first 2 years were pretty much to show the mountain to like potential investors for a ski area development. I started in '81. Right around that same time, we started skiing a lot steeper stuff. We started bringing in more clientele that was looking for, you know, that steeper terrain, that the more backcountry skiing experience. The north wall averages between 40 and 45 degrees. We skied mostly on because of the storm skiing, we skied mostly on that north side. In the 32 years that I've been here, there's never been really 2 days the same, and you know, we have 6,000 acres of terrain, so it can change. It changes daily. I mean, there's never 2 days in a row, so there's just so much terrain that depending on each day, we can find something.
Fantastic.